guys? Welcome to another episode of Gab Gab's
Adventure Time with Gab
and
Mickey.
Today we have Peppa Pig.
Unboxing tayo ng Peppa Pig today. Let me see. What is it? What is it, Mickey? Wow! This is Peppa Family Ice Cream Fun. And the other one, Kuya, is Mystery. Let me see. What's this? Peppa Pig 3 surprise inside. Mystery siya, ha?
Yeah.
Peppa's tennis surprise.
Tennis.
Kung nag-exercise sila Peppa Pig dito, ha? Ha? Sino unang mag-open?
Mickey!
Si Mickey?
Mickey! Daddy!
Mickey? Sige, open mo nga yan, Kuya. Pagtulungan nyo ni Mickey. Pero, gagamit tayo ng...
Scissors.
Be careful sa paggamit ng scissor. This is not a toy. Sige nga, Kuya, open it. Tignan natin kung anong laman yan. Open. Sirain mo na.
Okay, pwede pa na sila.
Pwede sirain yan. Lapit mo kay Mickey. Go.
Here.
Gupitin mo yung mga tali. Meron siyang lamang manual. So sa likod niya, ito yung sa likod nito.
Si Mommy Pig.
Yan, kailangan pala nito ng ice cream car. Yun yung ice cream car nandun sa likod, oh.
Si George makakawala na.
Yun, oh. Si Mommy Pig. Wow.
And here is Georgie.
May ice cream siya talagang
Where's
hawak.
Yeah, here's Georgie.
Dito, tayo mo dito, tayo.
Is Georgie na. Is Georgie.
Georgie, mayroon siyang popsicle. Popsicle niya to, Mickey.
Yes.
Is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur popsicle. Yum, yum. Mama.
Yummy, yummy!
Wait lang po.
Wait lang po. Peppa Pig!
Here you go.
Let me see.
Wait.
Lizzie?
Uy,
Lizzie?
may ice cream din si Peppa Pig, guys.
Wait lang po. Oh no. This is Daddy Pig.
Let me see the Daddy Pig, Mickey baby. Daddy Pig have big ice cream.
Yummy, yummy!
Tali ko siya sa leeg.
Very big ice cream.
Let's go!
Tagalin mo yung ano, tali sa leeg mo.
Okay.
Peppa Pig! Wish!
Yan. So yan yung Peppa Pig family. Tayo mo sila, Mickey.
Hello,
Wow.
Georgie.
Peppa Pig.
Hello!
Here's my ice
Yan.
cream.
Sige nga, tignan naman natin yung kay Kuya Gab.
And this one is the mystery pack.
Mystery pack. Sige nga,
So it
buksan
says
mo.
here, pull down.
Ah?
So I'm gonna pull down.
Okay, this.
Bukas na siya, guys.
Yan na.
Bukas na siya.
Susundutin mo lang yan. Susundutin mo lang yun. Yes. Yan. Yan.
Mystery pack. This is the ano.
Katingin ako.
Look at this.
Ah, yung tennis nila. Yung net.
Yeah, the tennis net. And the second one is
What is it? Mimi?
Wait lang.
please.
Ako lang pabuksan.
O siya daw magbubukas ng isa. Yan. Siya daw mag-open yan.
Okay.
Ano laman yan, Mickey baby?
That is
Sofian!
trophy.
Trophy. Wow.
Gimme.
Now
Trophy.
we have the last one. I wonder what is this?
Mother, what's inside?
What's inside kaya? Si Mickey baby daw mag-open.
It's another character.
What is it? Sino to? Si Doggy Dog Dog. Meron siyang hawak na kawali.
No, that's a bat. Ano?
Yung sa
it's a-
tennis.
Yes.
Raketa. Tennis racket.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Wait, please. Be careful, Mickey.
Be careful with the ano ha. Magupit mo yung kamay.
Champion is Mickey! Let's see where to go.
Oh, I forgot to cut the foot.
Clip, 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 clip.
Ah, I can't manage to cut the foot. Papipig kasi so very big. Yay!
Let me see the other one. Wow! Si Peppa Pig may hawak na rin kaldero.
Wow!
Kaldero ba to kawali?
Ano ba?
It's a tennis racket. So they are gonna play. Sige nga, testing mo nga. Lagay mo yun.
Put here.
Put here, there.
Poo! 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 Poo!
Dapat yung mga tao na nagnunood.
La, Peppa Pig number 2.
Wow!
Ako lang. Poo, 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 poo.
Good bonding na magkapatid.
That is cool.
This is a doggy.
This is a Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. So who's the winner?
Peppa Pig wins! Yay! I win!
I win!
Yay! So mag-open pa tayo next time.
Yes!
So that's our episode for today. Mickey, don't forget
To like and subscribe!